Hey guys, good morning. Hi Sarvana Kumar bro, welcome to the stream. And also sorry guys, I got some personal work to do, so that's why I have started today's stream a bit late. So let's quickly start with the analysis, and if you have any questions, please do let me know in the chat box. So for today, what we have in the daily time frame is we have the external liquidity is already taken out in the daily time frame by yesterday's candle itself. In GU, it's not the case. External liquidity is still intact, right? And price is trading still inside this previous range. So we have SMT at the moment. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, what we have here is price has been trading into the 4-hour BC here. So price could momentarily move up for intraday purposes or for the current H4 candle. In the 1-hour time frame, it's still the same. There are some inefficiencies here, and price has just traded into that inefficiency. So if we go to the 15-minute time frame, what we see here is we see price is taking external liquidity on the sell side, and it is making FAGs on the sell side, so that price could be taking the internal liquidity on the buy side. Right now, if we are actually expecting a reversal here from this H4BC, we should see this FAG to be overlapped. So why do I expect a reversal here right now? So because of these candles. This is the current H4 candle 0100, and this is the current daily candle. What we have here is there is no actual high have been formed here. So I'm expecting a manipulation on both H4 and daily time frames high, right? So this is the reason for me expecting a kind of reversal from this H4BC. But the thing is, we don't have a proper reversal in the M15 time frame, right? So if you drop down to M5 time frame, I'm seeing a clear change in state of delivery here. Price has traded into the Asian lows, and it has formed a order block. So for order block and a breaker here. So I'm expecting a entry on the breaker and targeting 2 standard deviations. So this would make either the high of the H4 candle or the daily candle. It can, like, 2 to 2.5 standard deviations aligns with the high of the current daily candle, hourly candle, 4-hour candle, and 3.5 to 4 standard deviations aligns with the daily candles high. If it goes above the today open, then it's going to be another manipulation for the daily candle high. So this is what I'm currently expecting. Price to be short-term bullish, like to make the high for the day or for the 4-hour candle. So after that, I'm expecting bearishness to kick in. So this is my current expectations for the day. So let's wait and see. Wow. So close. Let's see. Boom. Two standard deviation has been reached in GU, but we did not get any entry here. Also, there is no entry for EU as well, but price is nearing 2 standard deviation. We are about to see a PDHSMT between GBPUSD and EURUSD. Yeah, price has just raided the PDH in GBPUSD or the Asian high, because some people consider the high before 1700 as the PDH, and some people consider the high before 0000 the 2-day open as the PDH. So whatever we may consider, I personally consider true day open as the mark between two different trading days. So for me, it's PDH as well. So I'm seeing a SMT between the PDH, at the PDH between EURUSD and GBPUSD. So GU has clearly raided the PDH as well as Asian high. whereas EU has not. So this could lead to a reversal. So what do we ideally need to see in order if we are going to trade a reversal? We are going to look for a change in state of delivery, ideally in the M15 time frame. So but we are seeing this in the M5. So if we get it in M5 also, that is fine. So it should be like this, a breaker formation. So right now what we have is a one-sided movement here. There are inefficiencies here. So what I want is price to create a low somewhere here, go above and create a new high, and after that break that low and go down lower, possibly below the 2-day open, and then we can look for a shorts from here, from the breaker. Or if price goes up and takes out the Asian high as well, we need to look for some kind of reversal signature again, and after that we can look for the reversal. Guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please do let me know in the comments or the chat box. Okay, nice. Price is showing some kind of rejection from the 2-day open. Did price trade into it, or is it reversing before tapping into the 2-day open? It's 1.3408 and the 2-day open is at 1.3412. So we are about to see a raid up higher, up just above the 2-day open. It has not been raided yet, so ideally we are going to look for a trade or the price moving above the 2-day open, and then we may see a reversal or not. Okay, trader has asked a question. Why 5 minute, not 15 minute today? So the reason is, um, see, in the 15 minute, I'm not seeing quite a structure on this move down here, right? See, I'm able to find swing highs and swing lows, but it's clearly just a move down to the downside. But if we go to the 5 minute time frame, I'm able to find a structure here. Okay, so with structure, I also have a POI here, that is this inefficiency, and price has just traded this Asian low here, and I'm looking for a reversal. So it's quite clean in the M5 time frame. That's the reason for me choosing the M5 time frame today. And also I usually trade the model of M daily power of 3. For that, I use only the M15 time frame. But today I explained that I'm going to look for a new high above the 4-hour candle. So for 4-hour, it is best to use the M5 time frame, not the M15 time frame. So that is one other reason why I went with the M5 time frame. Mehboob Ali, good morning, bro. Do let me know if you have any other questions, guys. Maybe Ali Trader, good morning, brother. I'm sorry again. I got some urgent work that I have to be there at some other place, so that's why I went there and completed that work. That's why I have to start the stream a bit later. But I'll make sure that this does not happen again. So every day I'll start my stream I'll try to start and I'll try to stick to it. I'll try to start the stream around 1:45 AM EST. Okay, nice. We are seeing price moving into this inefficiency, so we will get a swing low here. Okay, nice. Also, the Asian high has been raided, so it's quite a good time to expect a reversal. A swing low formation here, a new high, break of the swing low below the 2-day open, bang, break of formation, 2 standard deviations should align somewhere to these lows, if I'm not wrong. That's it. Also, I guess no, this is not a swing low in the 15-minute time frame. It's okay. Guys, if you have any questions or doubts, do let me know in the chat box. Or if you want to ask anything, do let me know in the chat box. Nice, as expected, we got a new high now in GU. What do we have here in EU? Yeah, in EU as well, we got a new high, and price has just gone above the 2-day open. This is really good. So all we need to see right now is we want to see price rejecting from the 2-day open in EU. Okay, and we want to see price closing below this low here. So this will be our confirmation for short. Okay, we don't want to see price closing above the 2-day open. Okay, if we see close above the 2-day open, then it will become a bit risky for us to look for shorts. And regarding EU, we want to see price closing below the 2-day open. Okay, even if we get a close below a 2-day open like around here, then we can look for a stop order entry to look for shorts. GU is perfect today. So for this to work, we need to have a proper SMT. That is the one with the Asian highs here, Asian highs or PDH. Okay, so we want this to be undisturbed. We want this to be kept as it is. Like price should not raid this high in EU. If this high is already raided, then that means there is no SMT. When there is no SMT, then there is no high probability reversals. So we ideally don't want to see price taking out this high in EU. Okay, I just saw the chat box. Saravana Kumar Ro has asked, so for trading ranges and also as entry, what can we use for entry model? Okay, for trading ranges, we can use OTE, bro. That's the only thing that I would recommend, OTE or FEG entry, but that works only on the high time frame, like at least H1. If you trade that in the M15 or M5 time frame, then you'll get into a lot of trouble. I don't know about the turtle soups, bro. It has been a bit tricky for me, so I don't use turtle soups at all. So for okay, Sarana Kumar bro has said that for example, today's 1 hour range, a massive candle and inside candles continued, then manipulated into 1 hour FEG, then it pumped. Let me quickly check. So I suppose you are talking about the hourly in EU here. 1 hour range, a massive candle and inside candles continued. Are you talking about this one, bro? I'm not quite able to understand it. Then manipulated into the 1 hour FEG. So yeah, I suppose you're talking about this one here. Then it pumped. So yeah, you can use to trade ranges. You can obviously use the FEGs. FEGs are really powerful points where we can look for an entry, but it's quite tricky as well. If you are trading in the hourly time frame, then you need to look for some kind of confirmation that the change in state of delivery has happened. So that's what I personally use in the 5-minute time frame. This was the confirmation. This order block formation. So this was the confirmation for a change in state of delivery, and after that we may look for longs. So that's what I did here as well. 2000 H1 candle. Right, 1 minute, bro. So yeah, this one. Okay. Massive candle and inside candles continued, right? And manipulated into 1 hour FEG. So this was the 1 hour FEG and this was the manipulation. So you're asking about turtle soup here. I really don't know about that, bro, because I don't really trade the turtle soups. I have not been getting favorable results from turtle soups as well. So I generally avoid trading turtle soup and go for order block or breaker instead. So that has been working really good for me. So that's let's say that that's more profitable as well. Like the win rate is high when I use a breaker or order block here. When I go for a turtle soup, I often get stop loss. So I don't look for a trade with turtle soup as my entry. So here price has closed above the today open, so it is we can't say that shorts are now not favorable, but see how the body has closed. It has, I mean, we have a long wick here, so that also suggests a manipulation or a rejection as well. So what we ideally need to see is the next candle. We need to see a clear rejection and a close below the today open. So that's what we want to look in the EU. Look for in the EU. We are well above the Asian highs here. So if we have to look for a reversal, now is the time. But did we get one in the M15? No, this hasn't been tapped as well. So we are going to get a reversal at the high. But when? Okay, the candle class has closed above the today open here. So it's against our view. Let's wait for more details. We need to see a close below the today open again, and we need to see a close below this level here. So that will be the confirmation for shorts here. Once we get a close below the today open, we may look for short entries, but this FEG could be tricky. Okay, so we need to look for high probability. We need to see some kind of displacement here, so that would confirm that price is going to move down. So without displacement, so we cannot be taking an entry here. So we need displacement and a close below the today open to look for shorts. Without that, there will be no entry. So GU is inside this HOCB. If we see a close above the CB here, then what we can expect is we can expect price to reach this PPR minus, this should be H4. If we see a close above this CB here, then price would reach to this PPR. And if we see a close above this PPR, price will take out this high. If we don't see it, we can expect a reversal to the downside here. Also, look at this movement here. So we are bound to see some kind of retracement to the downside, even if price is going to take out this high. So if we see a reversal from this point, it's highly possible. So we may look for entries at this PPR as well, or price could reverse from this CB as well. It's very close to the OTE, but if we use the bodies here, wow, tapped into the OTE and it is moving up. It has taken out the highs as well. Guys, if you have any other questions or if you want to talk about anything, do let me know in the chat box. Okay, have you found your model yet? Do you have a particular model that you can trade? Have you started backtesting it? Or do you have any trouble forming your model or forming your system? Let's talk about model formation today. So if you have any questions related to forming a model, do let me know. Tell me about your model in a few words, like what is the thing that you look for every day in a trade, or if you have a model or not, do let me know. I'll try to help you and set up with you with a model. Guys, I was asking about model building. I asked about whether if you have a model or not, or if you if you have a model or struggling with anything related to that model, do let me know in the chat box. I'll try to help you up with fixing what the problem is in that model. So yeah, we got the close below the we are seeing price moving below the today open. We need a definitive close below the today open, and we need to see some kind of displacement as well, because we have an imbalance here, and to counter that we need to get some kind of imbalance here as well. Okay, so only if we have an imbalance we can take a trade based on this break off break off this low here. Okay, to look for shots we need a definitive close. What do I mean by definitive close? It should not be a long wicked candle like this one here. We need to see a clear candle close and a long range body. So that's what is ideal, and that's what we need to see to happen here. If that doesn't happen, we are not going to look for a short entry. Okay, trader has said that I am working for the model. Can you explain in a few words, bro? Like, what is your model and how you are framing your model based on what, so that I can help you fix what you have been missing. Turtle soup model with CRT. CRT is candle range theory, right? I don't know much about CRT because I don't follow anything other than ICT. In ICT also the CRT, to my knowledge, what I know as CRT is nothing but a swing low or swing high formation, right? So in the high time frame, we look for a 3 candle pattern, swing high, right? So once that has been formed, we look to trade in the lower time frame, targeting the low of this first candle, right? So is this how CRT works? I don't know much about it, but this is one of the ICT concepts as well. Okay, so I'm just telling you based on the knowledge that I have from the teachings of ICT. That is also is good, bro. What is the time frame that you use for your trading? Okay, price is going below the today open. We need to see displacement and a definitive body close below the today open to look for short entries. Also, a nice 2 standard deviations aligns right here. This is a bit tricky right now. We have a SMT, we have a CISD as well. If we get this low to be broken, then we have a CISD as well, but we have this imbalance, so this could be tricky as well. So what I have said is I am looking for a candle close below the today open with some kind of displacement. If I have that, I will look for a stop order entry at this low. If I don't have a displacement, then I want to see a definitive candle close below this low. Then post that, I will look for a limit order entry, and I will enter at this breaker targeting 2 standard deviations here. In GU, it's the same thing. What I want to see is a definitive close below today open, and I want this low to be broken with a displacement. If that happens, then I will target 2 standard deviations here as well. Whichever shows me good movement, I'll take trade on that. Okay, trader has said that actually people spread wrong information about CRT. People pattern trade it. Alright. CRT is not 3 candle pattern. Then okay, let's not get into it because it's some other thing. It's not related to ICT, so it's fine, bro. Okay, no problem. Okay, trader has said that he trades it with bias and with internal to external liquidity. That is good, bro. When you have these things combined, then you make high probability trades. Good. Do you have any problem with that? Do you need help? Any kind of help with that? Okay, we are seeing some kind of rejection from the 2-day open, so price is not likely to move down. Let's see if we can frame any other kind of setup. Trader has said that, yeah, I'm struggling with SMT. I trade CRT. Has soup of the range and target opposite liquidity, but sometime we have SMT and I'm confused. Should I wait for the low or high to soup? Consider it SMT. Bye, bro. Take care. Saravana Kumar, bro. We'll meet again on Monday. Cause okay, trader has said again that cause I have seen many time it soup my entry and moved in my direction. Okay. All right, all right. I'll tell you one thing, bro. So, um, I don't know about CRT, but what I'll tell you is, uh, so uh, you're going to your entry point of your entry point is a turtle soup. You said that, right? So if you're looking for a turtle soup entry, then what you can do is, um, all right. But sometimes we have SMT. SMT is good, no? You're going to get turtle soup in one end, and the other is not going to turtle soup. That's what is SMT, right? So let's say that this is your range, okay, and you're looking for a turtle soup entry here. So you got a turtle soup here, and you're saying that this is going to be your SMT, is it? So if this is going to be your SMT, like in one pair, it's going to take out this low. In the other pair, if it is a SMT, then it's not going to be taken out, right? This is what we call as SMT. So I don't quite understand the problem, bro. So I think my problem is with the understanding of the CRT model. I'll try to look into it and I'll try to find a solution for you. Okay. We have SMT. I'm confused. Should I wait for the low or high to soup or consider it SMT? Right. Okay. I'll tell you one other thing. Okay. So if this aligns with your model, I'm not sure if this is the right way to trade your model, because this is my understanding of the CRT and what you have said. So what I would recommend is look for a CISD in the M1 time frame. What I mean by CISD, just look for a simple a breaker reversal in the M1 and try to enter in the a time frame lesser than your trading time frame. Like if you are looking for SMT in M5 or M15, look for entries in M1 or M3 as well, M2, M3 as well, whichever shows you clear structure. Okay, what you have to do is you have to backtest it right now, and if you see consistent result with it, then you can go for that. Okay, so we can include a checkpoint here. So we can add a low time frame CISD as well, and if you get that, you can look for longs targeting this high. Okay, trader has said that, yeah bro, I'm not struggling with entry, but true SMT sometime it create fake SMT and soup it again. Oh right, okay, I understand. I don't have an answer, bro. So if I come across anything that will help you, I'll surely let you know. Okay. trader has said that I'm currently watching specific time, like I don't consider SMT in London session before 3 a.m. Okay, that is good as well. But SMT is something related to with the Judas as well. So we have two kinds of Judas happening. One is the normal protraction that happens before 2 a.m. and one is the delayed protraction that happens between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. So what I mean by that is, see, if you are looking for longs, so this down move would be the Judas, right? So this is the one that creates the SMT. So this can happen either between true day open to 0 to 100 or 0 to 100 to 0 500. Okay. Double zero double zero 0 2 double 0 0 5 double 0. So what I would suggest you is look for you have to divide your trades or model into two categories. Okay, so the first category will be your normal protraction category. So you are confident with the SMTs that happens after 3 a.m. right? So you are likely to trade the delayed protraction. Okay, so backtest with normal protraction with the SMTs that happens inside the 0000 to 0 to 100. So if you divide your model and work based on it, you will find even better results. Okay. Okay, guys. So the thing is, if this is a session SMT, it should have been broken by this low itself. It is not, and it is going up. So this is no longer a session SMT. So price is going to take out this high. Then once this high is taken out, we are going to see price either moving up higher, or we may see some kind of reversal, which I'm not very sure about. So let's wait for more details and see if we can form a trade today. We go to the high time frame, weekly. Nice. Wow. So this high has been taken out. Nice. I think this is the high of the 2024. Okay, 23 is high. Right. Okay, so this is the range of entire 2024. This was July 2023's high. My goodness, we got this kind of move within a few weeks. Wow. This move happened in March, and this is the move happened in April. Wow. This is crazy. So what is the expectation now? Where is the next target? This is the next high that is likely to be taken out. So in the daily time frame, we don't have anything much right now. The external liquidity has been taken out. So what next? What is the thing with GU? GU in the weekly time frame. So we have a clear SMT at the highs as well. So this is 2024 September's highs. So there is a SMT. SMT was already existing because okay. Only this candle has taken out this high, right? Then this is a new SMT. Nice. Okay, price got rejected from this BPR. This BPR right here. And if we see price going up, okay, after this rejection, price has tapped into this inefficiency. Nice. And it is moving up from this. So if we get a positive close, then we are looking to take out this high in the next week as well. So we can form a setup in GU. Nice. Okay, this is nice. I think we will see price coming back to today open. We'll see some kind of support from the today open, and then it will move up higher. This is what I'm currently expecting. Because of the hourly time frame, Asian low was taken out, Asian high was taken out. Now we are going to see price coming down to the true day open here. From here we can see, expect price move up higher. Where does this aligns with? Okay, what is this again? This is the BPR, right? Alright, it's the BPR 1.31400. Okay, this is good. Okay, Asian high has been raided as well. So right now we cannot be expecting any kind of high probability reversals to the downside because we don't have SMT. We have this liquidity being raided, but we also have previous Asian low was raided first, and then we are seeing Asian high rate. So this is much more like this was the Judah swing, and this is the move to the upside. So right now what we can expect is we can expect price to come to the inter liquidity to the sell side and reverse up higher from this point. Okay. EU has taken all the buy side liquidity that was residing above here. So it's not advisable to look for longs right now in EU, but in GU we may look for some longs. Yeah. So this is what I'm currently expecting as well. Okay, trader has said that, yeah, bro, we got soup of 2024 and gone. Yes, that's what has happened. Okay, guys, do you have any other questions or doubts for today? Okay, guys, so let's wrap up today's stream because I'm not expecting much of a move for the London session today. We may get a move in the NYKC, but I'm not going to stream today on NYKC because if there is a setup, I'll post it in my Telegram channel. And today is going to be the end of this week as well. So in the weekend, I'll try to form my journal, and I'll post it in the Telegram channel. So if you have any other thing that you want help, or if you want any guidance from me, do let me know in the comment section or in the chat box. I'll try to help as much as possible. So thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for your support. Let's stop the stream today here, and we'll meet again back later on Monday morning at 2 AM EST. Bye, guys. Take care.